Connecticut manufacturers and educators, join us at one of our manufacturing career roadshow stops and help us inspire the next generation of Connecticut's workforce. Roadshow experiences are shaping the future workforce and opening doors of opportunity for students across our state. Who wins? Everyone. Students get excited about the possibilities in manufacturing careers, and manufacturers help create pathways into the field. Manufacturers, bring your hands-on exhibits and show students what real manufacturing looks like. Teachers, bring your students to explore exciting careers, new technology, and real opportunities right here in Connecticut. One experience. One conversation. It doesn't take much to set things in motion at a Manufacturing Careers Roadshow.